Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Royal. So in today's video we're doing something different, but first subscribe. Thank you so much. So first off, we're gonna start with creating this pattern in the front side of the hair, and we're gonna be very detailed. As soon as I'm done, I'm braiding this out. Then guys, this is my kinky, right? I'm just going to start with this front side of the hair. So we're going to do a flat twist, so we just have to keep adding kinky. You can have any desired size, so I use this big size because I needed it to be really full at the back when I'm done. So we're just going to be flat twisting it. When you flat twist, you pack your hair, and then you twist, you add your kinky, you flat twist, you pack your hair. You keep doing this whole process repeatedly, so you keep doing it up until you get to the very end of the hair, like at the back. Then I had to, as you can see, just arrange, adjust it, and then flip it all back, right? So this is it. And then we're going to do this for the other part as well. We're going to use a kinky, would part it this way, and then would pack it, use one kinky, add it, just keep adding it and flat twisting it. Okay, so as you can see, we just have to keep adding it so it to be full, right? So you keep doing all of this up until when you get to the very end of it. And as you're doing this, like I always say, my darlings, please enjoy the process, because this is a very simple hairstyle. We're going to keep going, and we are done with this part. Don't mind me, I was listening to music at that part. Very therapeutic, I promise. So you're going to use a thread and just tie it all around. Divide part of the kinky in two parts, and then you roll it at the back. Then you do that with the other one remaining, and then you roll it again, so it will be like a bone at the back of the hair. So yeah, just make sure as you do it, you adjust it, you beautify it. It makes it really presentable. Use an extra kinky to just give it a finishing look, so everything will stay firmly together and really stay put well. Yeah. So as you're doing this, make sure it looks really beautiful, really presentable, and let it stay firm. So I use the bobby pin to just hold at the very end, as you can see. Yeah, so it will really stay firm. So I use my comb to tuck the hair in so we don't have any leftovers, and I use bobby pin to secure it at the back again. So for the prom part, I thought of doing something different, you guys. Honestly speaking, I didn't know what I was doing at this point, but I was just trusting the process. So I used the kinky, right, and I braided this. I twisted it at the tip of it, and then as you can see, I'm twisting it. Then I added it all together. Then I used my Flexi Roll and just roll this part of the hair, right? As you can see, I'm rolling it and rolling it and rolling it. I needed something coily in the front, but at the same time I wanted it to stay firm. That is why I started with twisting it at the beginning. I'm gonna do this for the other one as well. We're just going to repeat the whole process. So I'm going to twist this front part and then merge them together, and then use my Flexi Roll and then roll it and let it stay put together this way. So I made sure I did the rest off camera. As you can see, braided or twisted the tip, use Flexi Rolls and roll this beautifully, my darlings. After I was done with this, I was already boiling hot water. Just had to use it. I bent my head, used the hot water, and applied it on my hair. So this is my Petals Gel, of course. I'm just going to use this to finish up everything, lay down the hair to stay properly, firmly, beautifully. Take your time, don't worry, just take your time when you're doing this. Apply it beautifully and make sure it's not much, but take your time. And then I'm just going to style my edges. I stopped using the camera edge control, not because of anything, but because it was bringing up this white-ish thing. I think I'll get a better one that sticks. So I also styled my edges at the other end of the hair. I'm going to use my bobby pin and secure it because I've already applied gel on it. So I had to use hot water here. I used hot water and I applied it on the hair. Then I dried it a little. Then I did my makeup. So in total, I think I let it stay for like an hour plus the makeup and everything. This is where I am unraveling it, and I don't know how I should feel, but I loved how it was untangling, to be honest. And it turned out really well. Literally did. I mean, okay, I love this. Okay, girl. I love this process. I love how it turned out. This is a very simple hairstyle, and it took me plus minus, you guys, I think 25 minutes to make this. Honestly, 25 minutes. It really didn't take much. So if you're going for a wedding and you need to slay differently, you need to look smooth, sweet, feminine, this is one hairstyle to try out. Okay, so I had to just lay down the front to really stay styled, so I took it at the other side, and I really loved how this hairstyle turned out. Now that's what I'm talking about. You see this look? I'm definitely trying it again. Okay, so let me know your favorite thing about this look. Would you be trying this hair? I definitely would. And state it in the comment section. I would love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching, my loves. Until next time, take care.